Welcome dear children to the Rajkumar College Rajkot. This is Suji Mehta. We are doing the exercise for chapter 5 form 3, right? So we have already started with the blanks, true or false, and question C, that is identify the different tools, right? Let us revise the blank. Question A, number 1 is select, number 2 resize and skew, number 3 top left corner, number 4 color picker tool, number 5 control O to open any saved file, and control S to save a file. So these were the answers for your fill in the blanks. Hope you have done. Then we have true or false. First one is false, true, true, false, false, right? I had explained each and every sentence last week in the video. If you find it difficulty, you can watch the video. Then fill with color, color picker tool, select tool, freeform select tool, magnifier, text tool, no outline, and strike through. So this was your question A, B and C that is been done last video. Fine. Now today we are going to do question D, page number 51, application based question. Number 1, Kirti has drawn a pink car in paint. She wants to fill the same pink color in another object. Which tool she used to select the same color? So what is the answer? Color picker tool, right? To copy color from one object to another, we use color picker tool. Second, Parul has drawn a beautiful day scenery, but by mistake she drew a few stars in it. Which tool can she use to erase these stars? Actually here it is asked tool, right? So we use eraser tool. Even that area is there, you can select and press delete key, that stars are get erased. Okay, so even if you write select tool, it's not wrong, but we will write here eraser tool. Then we have question E, multiple choice, right? Dash tool is used to enter text in drawing area. Text tool. Dash tool is used to increase or decrease the view size of the object, that is zoom. The shortcut key combination to create a new file, new new n, so control n, and flip and rotate command is in the dash group, it is in image group, right? So if you remember tabs group, right? So flip and rotate command is in image group. Again I repeat question D and E. Number 1 is color picker tool. Question D, number 1 color picker tool. Question D, number 2 eraser tool. Fine. Question E, number 1 text. Question E, number 2 zoom. Question E, number 3 control N. Question E, number 4 image. Hope children you have written this. Fine. One more thing children, I'm going to put the answer key in the ERP so you can check it out. Let us do now answer the following. What are the two tools in MS Paint? Name them. It is rectangular select tool and freeform select tool. These are the two tools that is there in MS Paint. I've tried to put the font big so that if you want to write from the video, you can copy, or answer key is been given in the ERP. Where will you find the pasted object on the paint window? The paste command will always insert the drawing at the top left corner of the drawing area. If you remember, we have made a flower. I copied one circle and I have done copy paste. Whenever I do paste, it will be always available on the top left corner of your drawing area, right? What do you specify when you wish to resize an object? If you want to resize a picture, you have to specify a percentage or pixel, and if you want to skew it, then you have to specify the degree in the both the way, horizontal way also, in the vertical way also. So to resize any picture, you need to specify percentage or pixel. What are the two ways to flip a picture? You can flip a picture vertical and horizontal. So these are the two ways to flip a picture. I'll wait for some time, so if you are writing, you can copy from the video itself. Okay, the next question is question 5. Which tool do we use on the home tab to increase the size of the picture? The magnifier tool is used to increase the size of the picture. It is available on the home tab, right? Where is the zoom slider bar present in MS Paint window? You remember the zoom slider on the status bar? You can increase or decrease the size of the file, right? So that is zoom slider. See, addition sign is there, subtraction sign is there. So if you click on subtraction sign, your screen becomes small, and if you click on addition sign, then your screen will become big, right? So this is a zoom slider. Let us see once again. What are the two tools in MS Paint? Name them: rectangular selection tool and free from selection tool. Okay, if you like, where will you find the pasted object on the paint window? The pasted object command will always insert the drawing at the top left corner of the drawing area, right? Then what do you specify when you wish to resize an object? To resize a picture, specify percentage or pixel and skew in degree both horizontal and vertical. What are the two ways to flip a picture? Vertical and horizontal flip are the two ways to flip a picture. Which tool do we use on the home tab to increase the size of the picture? The magnifier tool is used to increase the size of the picture. Where is the zoom slider bar present in MS Paint window? The zoom slider bar is present on the status bar in MS Paint window. So I hope you might be clear with the answer the following. Fine. This was your exercise, page number 50-51, right? Okay, now children, what I am going to show you next one is shortcut keys. Shortcut keys means a shortcut. On that day I say the shortest way to do something. Like for example, somebody says I want to go to my friend's house, he stays here. So if you know some another way from where the person can reach fast, you will say, friend, you please go with the another road, this road, so you will reach fast. You will reach fast because it is a shortcut. So why? Because you want to save your time and even you want to reach fast. In the same way, in computer also, they provide us shortcut keys. By using it, it makes our work more faster, right? So let us see some shortcut keys which are there in your textbook. There are so many, but these are the main that we generally use for all the application. It's not that it will work in MS Paint only, but it will work same in all the other applications. Okay, now Control N, open a new file. You open MS Paint, right? By default it is always a new file. Okay, but if you are doing something and you have saved your file and you have put it in your you have saved your file and you want to open a new, then just press control key and N key together. Plus means combination of these two. Okay, you don't have to press plus sign in the from the computer. No, control and N together. Okay, plus is just to show the combination of these two. Control O, open a saved file. You have saved your file. Now tomorrow you want the same file to open. Then first you will open MS Paint program and then you will press Control O. Then you will see a dialog box and from there you can select your file. Now I am drawing. Okay, I have opened a new file. I am doing drawing in it. It's a very beautiful picture and you want to save. So what you will press? Control S. Control S. Save. Okay. Now in some of the uh, commands, you can see the first initial letter is only the shortcut key. For example, control N, new file is there, N, so control N. Open, O, then control O. Save, S, control S. But it is not compulsory that every time the initial letter will only be the shortcut key. Some commands have the same shortcut key which is its initial letter. Okay. Now Alt F4. I want to close any application in a shortcut way. Then I can directly press ALT. It is just next to spacebar. ALT plus F4. It will close any application. Any application is open if you type or if you press Alt F4 together, it will close an application. Control Z, undo. For example, I have drawn, right, I have drawn a scenery where I don't need the stars. Okay, just now we had one textbook question that she does not want a star there. So you can press Control Z, it will go. But if you have drawn 5 stars, then you have to press 5 times Control Z, then only one time it will be removed. Now you don't need. But you think, oh no, that stars were important, I want it back. Then you press Control Y, redo, and it will appear on the screen. So that is Control Z and Control Y. Okay, so I would just like to show you this in the MS Paint program. Now let us see. Okay, now children, okay, now see, I'll open MS Paint program. Do you remember accessories paint program, right? See, I'm doing the shortcut keys. Okay, now this is your already filed open. I will press Control N. Okay, my file is already open, new file. I would just draw this. Now Control N. See, don't save, a new file is open, right? Then Control O, open. I want to open my saved file. Control O, open. Now this is one of this I will open. Okay, see, this is one of this. I have opened my saved file. Okay, then I don't want this file, so I will do Control Z. Wait, sorry, I will draw. Now I don't want this circle, so I will do Control Z. I thought no, that circle I need, I don't want to remove it. Control Y, redo. Okay, see, from the shortcut key I am pressing it. Control Y, redo. Again I don't want, then Control Z. Now I want to save the file. Control S. Now it has not asked me the file name because it is already searched, it is already saved, right? Search engine form4.jpg, it is already saved. Now I'll do a new file. Control N. I'll draw this shape. Control S, save. I will write here form 3, right? Where it is in this PC document, and I will click on save. Now I will just, I want to close it. Alter F4. The whole application is closed, right? Again I will open. Okay, now Control O, and you can see form 3, you can open it. So this way I have used the different shortcut keys to do my work, right? So remember the shortcut keys you are supposed to, right? So now these are the different exercise that we have done. We have tried to complete our chapter MS Paint, right? You can even read your chapter. Next week we will start the revision of chapter 1 again. So be ready, read your lesson, be ready with your doubts. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Keep safe and keep happy at home. Now please read your lessons. Thank you and have a nice day.